Hello students, today we will study about how the combination of registers is possible. There are two well-known combination, series combination and parallel combination. So start series combination, right? Series combination of registers. So first of all, what is the circuit of series combination? Let us start circuit diagram, right? Circuit diagram. Simply suppose that this is battery and this is voltage V. Current is emitting from positive side. Let us this current is I and this it is R1, R2, it is R3 and so on. It is suppose that it is I, right? So the potential difference across each resistance will be equal to their respective resistance. Let us it is V1, it is V2, it is V3 and it is Vn, right? And this I current will pass through all the resistors because the current emitting from this battery have no other route to go through, and that's why the current, the same current I will pass through R1, R2, R3 and R1 and it will return and come back to battery, right? The cell or battery we are assuming it is ideal, so we assume that there is no internal resistance of battery. If the resistance of battery is given, then simply connect it in series. So let us take the voltage of the battery will be dropped where? The voltage of the battery will be dropped in R1, R1, R2, R3 and in Rn. So as per Kirchhoff voltage law, using Kirchhoff voltage law, voltage law. And what is Kirchhoff voltage law? ब्रीफ में सुन KVL कहते हैं, राइट? KVL. According to that, the voltage applied in the circuit is equal to the sum of the voltage drop across all the element, right? So capital V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus dot Vn. Simply Vn is what? Voltage across nth resistor, right? And as per Ohm's law, we know that V1 is what? The current I is passing through R1, so voltage is IR1, it is IR2, or same current is passing through this, and the same current is passing through R3 and same current is passing through Rn. What is the n number of resistors, right? So IR3 and dot IR N, and the same current is also emitting from battery I, and let us take the equivalent resistance of the circuit is R. So we can write voltage V is I into R, and take common I from both the sides. Then what will happen? I R1 plus R2 plus R3 dot 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 Rn, and this is IR. Then R equivalent is R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus dot 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 Rn. Then what are the noticeable feature in this case? First, equivalent resistance is the sum of all the resistors. Sum of all the resistor. Sum of all the resistor. Second, same current will flow through all the circuits. Same current will flow through all the circuits, through all the resistors, through all the resistors. And third point may be the potential difference. The potential difference, right? The potential difference will be what? The total potential voltage or potential delivered by battery, potential oblique voltage drop in across all elements is equal to the voltage of battery. Voltage drop, voltage of battery. Voltage drop of battery. Basically, you can say sum of, right? Sum of potential voltage drop in across all elements will be equal to the voltage drop of battery. So this is very important and a noticeable feature. And you have noticed that current in each resistor, each resistor will be independent, will be independent from its relative position, from its relative position, the relative position, right? And fifth one is voltage is always proportional to its resistance. Voltage is always proportional to its resistance. Voltage drop is very important. Voltage drop is always proportional to its resistance. So in this series combination, we have seen that it is circuit diagram, it is battery, and I current is passing through the various combination of resistors R1, R2, R3, and RL. And these are some noticeable feature. So in this class, this much, and next class we will do the questions on the basis of this formula. It means simply the total resistance of a circuit is combination or the sum of the resistance in the circuit. Thank you class. Kindly subscribe this Exam Guru YouTube channel, like and share, and write your feedback in comment section. Thank you class.